Hi, in this video we are going to see the central government recruitment notification guys, okay, from one of the government institute. And here eligibility is a UG or a PG with some relevant experience, and while coming to the salary up to 1 lakh rupees and more than 1 lakh rupees also the salaries are mentioned. And here the regular as well as the part-time, that means permanent as well as the contractual type of vacancies are also there. And whatever the vacancies, that means here huge number of sections or the huge number of recruitment notifications are there under this institute. So please watch this video very carefully and until the end to get the complete details regarding the recruitment notification. Okay, or else I kept the link in the description box of this video, so you may check down that link also to get the complete details regarding this one. Okay, and if you don't subscribe my channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job notifications in this pandemic situation, which will be very much helpful to them. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Center for Development of Advanced Computing, that is CDAC. It is one of the government institute guys. So from this one here the job opportunities are there. Okay, so here you may check down in the current openings. So the Thiruvananthapuram and Kolkata, both these two, the last dates are completed. And apart from this one, I am going to show you the vacancies from Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, Mumbai, as well as the post for the Director General. Post for the Director General, you may check yourself why guys. Why? Because here the qualifications are very high. Okay, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. And the candidates who are following this one, so please very carefully follow this video guys, because I am going to show you one by one, and within the each and every recruitment notification here the sub recruitments are also there. So please watch this video very carefully. First one, I am going to the CDAC Hyderabad invites application for the post of assistant in level 5 reserved for the PWD candidates only. Okay, so just click on that one and then you will be directed to here. I will show you the main points guys. Okay, to get the complete details you may go through the link that I kept in the description box of this video. Name of the post is assistant and it is a level 5 category, departments HRD or the material management group or finance. Only one vacancy is there, and the place of posting is Hyderabad. Reservation is for the unreserved category, PWD orthopedically handicapped. Qualification is graduate in any discipline, minimum 6 months certification course in computers, 7 years of work experience for graduates and 5 years for the postgraduates. Desired skills are mentioned, job profile are mentioned. If you are interested, then click on the apply now and then you will be directed to the online application form. Okay. And here the selection will be based upon the written test guys. Okay, the written test topics as well as the marks are also given here. Fine, so you please go through this one, and the last date is 10th July 2021. Okay, these are the recruitment notification regarding the CDAC Hyderabad. Okay, it is done. Now while coming to the second one, CDAC Mumbai invites applications against the regular vacancies for various administrative positions. So you just click on this one and then you will be directed to the CDAC Mumbai guys. Okay, in this CDAC Mumbai, so you may check down here the different sub recruitments are there. Fine, so I will show you all these things. So first one, how to apply is given here. Of course you can apply through the online guys. Here the last date is 10th July 2021, and the selection process will be based upon the written test and then followed by one interview will be there. And coming to the qualification, I will show you the qualification here in this table guys. Okay, otherwise you will get confused. The regular post group E non-technical, level 6, section library, one post, place of post in Mumbai. Under the SC category, one vacancy is there. Qualification graduation or PG in library science or information science, 1 year certificate course in computers, 11 years working experience for the graduates and 9 years working experience for the postgraduates. Required skill and job profile are mentioned. You may check down. If you're eligible, then click on the apply online here. And coming to the second post, senior assistant, level number 6, one post, section accounts, graduation or post graduation in commerce, 1 year certificate course in computers, 11 years experience for the graduates and 9 years experience for the post graduates, and age limit is 35. Next one is junior assistant, level 4, total 6 positions are there, place of posting Mumbai, SC1, OBC2, EWS1, unreserved category 2. Education qualification, graduation in commerce or arts or science. That means whatever the art subject it might be, whatever the science subject it might be, you must have the graduation, 6 months of certificate course in computer operations, 3 years of working experience in case of graduate, and 1 year of experience in case of postgraduates. Age limit is 30 years, guys. So if you are interested, click on the apply online. Fine. These are the different recruitment notifications from the CDAC Mumbai. Okay. And now the CDAC Mumbai is done. Next one is the CDAC Pune. Invites the online applications for the Group B and Group C non-technical and Group B technical post to be filled by the direct recruitment. Fine. So click on this one and then you will be directed to the CDAC Pune recruitment, guys. So under this CDAC Pune, here you may check down. The last date is the July 10th, 2021. And under this one, here the 4 more sections are there. That means 4 more positions are there. One is a senior assistant level 6, second one is assistant level 5, junior assistant level 4, technical assistant level 6. And the number of positions are also given here. If you want to check the individual details, then click on this here, the details. So coming to the senior assistant, what are the qualifications required? Graduate in any discipline, 1 year certificate in computers, 11 years experience for graduates and 9 years experience for the postgraduates. Fine. And here, yeah, few more sections are given here. So you may check down, guys. So it is for the senior assistant. Coming to the assistant, click on this one. Only one post is there. Graduation in any discipline, minimum 6 months of certificate course in computer, 7 years of working experience for graduates and 5 years for the postgraduates. Fine. And next, while coming to the junior assistant, click on this details. Graduate in any discipline, 6 months certificate course and 3 years working experience for graduates and 1 for the postgraduates. And coming to the next one, technical assistant. So click on these details. Okay, and coming to the qualifications, first class diploma in civil with 3 years of experience in civil work in building construction fields, premises or civil maintenance field. Okay, so total these are the 4 different positions are there under the CDAC Pune category. Fine. So next, the last one is the CDAC Mumbai for the project engineers. Okay, just click on this one and then you will be directed to this web page, guys. So here you may check down. So project engineer, 2 positions are there, 37 years. Here the pay scale, pay level is also mentioned, consolidated pay based upon the post qualification relevant experience. And coming to the essential qualification, first class BE, BTech, MC or equivalent degree with 5 to 8 years of post qualification experience, or ME or MTech or equivalent degree in relevant discipline with 2 to 5 years of post qualification experience. Fine. Relevant disciplines matlab computer science, computer applications, information technology, and whatever the skills required, those are also mentioned. Next, second one is a project engineer. Total 10 vacancies are there and it is the pay scale. And coming to the qualifications, first class BE or BTech and ME or MTech with 1 to 2 years of experience in this relevant discipline, and the skills required is also mentioned here. Coming to the next one, project engineer, senior test engineer, and in the same way, next project engineer in the senior database engineer, and the next project engineer in senior develop engineer. Fine. And next project engineer. Fine. First class BE or BTech or MC with 2 to 3 years of experience, okay, or ME or MTech with 1 year of post qualification experience and knowledge regarding these things. Okay, so like that, more number of vacancies or the post are there in the CDAC Mumbai comes under the project engineer, guys. Fine. So total these are the different vacancies, and I hope most of the vacancies are there here. So whatever the qualification you belongs to, then you may apply for this one. So mostly the vacancies are related to the computer science as well as the electronics, guys, and few more vacancies are also there, just like I shown in the Mumbai for various administrative posts, that means non-technical post. So whatever the discipline you might be, any graduate with some relevant experience must be there. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, guys. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation, and I will provide the link in the description box of this video. So click on that one and you please go through the complete details. Okay, due to the time limitation, I'm just giving only a few brief details and you just go through the in details. Okay, guys, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. and after subscribing tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down guys the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, Okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.